In this video, we're going to be walking you through how to use ChatGPT in order to summarise articles. We'll be going over 5 different ways and providing effective prompts which you can use. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first way we're going to look at is using ChatGPT to summarise articles into bullet points, which allows you to get all the relevant information which you need out of the article without reading it. I'm simply going to paste this whole article, which is about AI, into ChatGPT. Then I'm going to type, please summarise this article using clear and concise bullet points. Focus on the most important key points, facts and insights. Avoid unnecessary details or fluff. Structure the points logically and, if relevant, group similar points under subheadings. Keep each point brief but informative. As you can see, in the matter of seconds, it has summarised the article into 10 different points. Within each point, it has provided 2 bullet points. As this article is about AI threats, for each point it has also provided 2 bullet points for mitigation. At the end, it has also given a conclusion. If we would prefer to summarise the article into a paragraph rather than bullet points, we could simply type, summarise this article I just pasted into a single, clear and concise paragraph. Focus on capturing the main idea, key points and core takeaway without including any unnecessary details. Ensure the summary is brief but still accurately reflects the overall meaning and key insights of the article. It has now condensed the article which I pasted, which was around 14 paragraphs long, into a short concise paragraph which details the main points of the article. We can use ChatGPT to pick out specific information from an article. For example, if I'm doing a piece of work which requires me to provide quotes, I could simply type something along the lines of, please extract the most impactful or relevant quotes from the article I just pasted. Focus on statements that capture key insights, powerful messages, or memorable phrases. Avoid generic or filler quotes. Present the quotes as standalone lines, and if necessary, include a brief context for each quote. In the matter of seconds, it has come back with a list of quotes. Underneath each one is a bullet point which states who the quote is by and what it means. Moving on, we can use ChatGPT to summarise articles for the purpose of turning it into different types of content. For example, if I would like to create a LinkedIn post based on the following article, I can copy and paste it into ChatGPT, then ask, please summarise this article into a LinkedIn style post. Focus on key insights, professional takeaways, and make the content engaging for a business or professional audience. Keep it within 280 characters and ensure the message is clear, concise and impactful. As you can see, it has created this short paragraph based on the article we provided it with. It has even provided a list of hashtags which will help to increase the visibility of the post. We can also use this method to create content for different platforms. For example, if I'd like to create a YouTube script, I can type something along the lines of, please summarise this article into a YouTube video script. Structure the script with an engaging introduction, clear main content sections and concise conclusion. Make it suitable for a 3 to 5 minute video, approximately 500 to 800 words. Keep the tone conversational and engaging as if speaking directly to the audience. It has now come back with a full YouTube script which includes an intro, different sections with relevant information from the article, timings and much more. We can use this script to create an informational video. We can even create a faceless video by recording the script and playing it over relevant stock footage. Last but not least, we're going to be using ChatGPT to break down an article into headlines and subheadlines. I'm going to paste the article, then type, please break down this article into sections, providing a headline and brief summary for each. The headline should capture the main idea of the section, and the summary should be concise, highlighting key points and insights. Organise the sections logically and ensure that the summaries are clear and easy to follow. Within seconds, it has come back with 7 different headlines. Then it has provided a paragraph summary for that specific headline. This could be useful if you are doing an assignment and need some guidance on what points should be included. That's all we have for this video on using ChatGPT for summarising articles. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.